Google Keep is an app that can help you keep track of important tasks and take notes. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download Google Keep. Then, once you have opened the application, you want to sign into your Google account, which I've already done, and then select New Note at the bottom right corner. Once you're there, from this screen, you can type notes like I'll just do hello, just to show you. And you can also add titles, like I don't know. So you can also add titles, and you can also pin it up on the first wall, so it'll be the first thing in your notes file. You can also download it to archive, which is the button on the top right, and you can choose a date, a time, and a place where you want to have the note be reminded. So when you're creating a note, you have the option of adding a photo. You can choose it from your photo library, and you can also add text boxes. So right now I'll show you the text boxes. So it allows you to type things into the text boxes, and if you want to add more, you can either hit the plus button right underneath, or you can just hit the return key. So if you want to type different things into the text boxes, like say you're grocery shopping and you have a bunch of things you need to get, if you already got like say half your list but you still need a couple more things, you can just check them off as you go. If you want to add a photo or take a photo, you just select the plus button on the bottom left corner and hit either take photo or choose photo. So I'll take a photo. So all you need to do is take the photo like you would any other way you take a photo, and then hit use photo. If you do not like the photo, you can hit retake photo, or if you already hit use photo, hit the three dots on the upper right corner and hit delete. Another thing this allows you to do is, it may take a minute, but eventually a button will pop up after you hit the three dots that will let you take all the text from the image and put it into text. It says graduate image text. As soon as you hit that, it takes all the text and puts it into the, in this case, checkboxes, but it'll also put it into notes if you don't have the checkboxes. So all you need to do is, once you created your note, hit the arrow in the upper left hand corner, and that makes you created a note. So say you archive something, it will erase it from your original notes list. But if you would like to get to it, hit the three lines on the upper left corner. And from here you can get to reminders, you can create a new label, archive, trash, settings, and help and feedback. You'll want to select archive, and your note will be there. If you want to bring it back to your original note screen, you just hit the same button you did to archive it, and it will bring it back to your original note screen, and it will disappear from your archive. If you want to delete um, notes, you just select them into the trash, and from there you can go to the three lines again, select the trash, and you'll see all the things you threw out. If you want to go back to your original note screen, you hit the notes button again in the three lines, and it'll take you to the note screen. You can also change the orientation of all your notes by hitting the box in the upper right corner. By doing that, it changes it so that you can see all your text, you can see your photos, and if you want to change it back, you just hit that again. Again, to delete it, if you want to delete a photo, you just click on the three dots again after you select on the photo and you hit delete. This will bring you to this screen, which you say delete again, and it automatically deletes the photo. You can also slide checkboxes, like say you don't want to get HH first, but you want to get delete. You can slide it underneath, so it'll help organize things. Some educational uses for this app is also to make lists of homework for students. Teachers can use it for agendas to understand like what they have for lesson plans or what they need to teach or what they've already teached. Um, it can also, like I said, set reminders for you if you're like in a certain location or at a certain time when you need to be reminded of something. And it's a very useful app, and I'd suggest getting it